Hi friends, today for PWS you learned that some words with more than one syllable can have a double consonant here in the middle, like in the word hammer, or it can have a double consonant at the end of the word, like in the word here, princess. Your job today is going to be to read these words here, and then you're going to sort them based on if they have a double consonant in the middle or at the end of the word. Let's look at this word battle here. Battle, I'm just going to drag it and drop it. In this column, battle has a double consonant here in the middle, just like the word hammer. Now look at this word recall here. It has a double consonant at the end, just like in the word princess. Now, there's this word here, assess, and if you notice, it has a double consonant in the middle and at the end. So I'm just going to leave this word here somewhere in the middle. Maybe you want to drag it up out of your sort like this. As you go, you can just drag and drop, or you could also do this on a separate piece of paper.